There are many PS initiatives in Brazil taking place at the state level and at the federal level. And these are very varied. There are some which are related to watersheds, other to carbon sequestration, other to different kinds of ecosystem services. And I think there are many lessons learned. And probably one of the most general lessons is that the design of these schemes have to be done in a participatory way so that the views and perspectives of different stakeholders are part of the design, and this allows for greater efficiency. I think that would be probably what I would say is the single most important lesson. I think the key for the success of this program lies first in the design of the components that are a combination of cash and non-cash benefits. And the non-cash benefits, they're decided in a participatory way that takes into account the priorities of people who are in the middle of the forest, very isolated, and oftentimes don't have their voices heard. And the social technology that was developed around the Bolsa Floresta enabled those voices to be heard and have a very important say in the design of the program. And second, I think, is the institutional design. The fact that it's a public policy implemented together with a non-governmental organization such as FAS allows for more flexibility, more efficiency, and also more transparency. And I think these are key ingredients for success. And thirdly, I would say that monitoring results with very clear indicators of not only activities, but also in terms of the social and environmental impacts of the program. The challenges of the program include first, securing long-term funding, which is something very challenging in an environment which changes politically very drastically from election to another. We have proven that the program is resilient. We have gone through 4 different state governors, and the program is very successful. But that remains a challenge in the years to come. And secondly is to measure more and more precisely the indicators of the impacts and of the benefits, so that those indicators allow for improvement of the implementation strategies, the methods, and so on.